we talked a lot about governance, but I think what we're seeing, and from my experience working with you and the team at GM, people are now trying to leverage the metadata foundation that you've built. At Atlan, we talk about the context layer.
Hmm.
Maybe share a little bit, like, how are people now trying to tap into metadata for building some of these AI models that we're hearing all about?
Yeah, it's actually so exciting. So you've just released to us the Metadata Lakehouse piece. So we're definitely exploiting the value with that. We're going to set up a genie room that allows us to take that metadata and now give people a different way to discover, understand, and use our data sets. We're also looking at tools like Lean and other tools that allow us to do enterprise searches across the metadata that we have to quickly find information and accelerate our development processes. And then, like, there's just so many things you can do now that you have the metadata foundation and you can surface it via APIs. So, like, we have Sterling where we do data transfers. Today, to register a data transfer and get it governed is fairly manual, but I can see a play where we use our data contracts to automate that and then show all of that within the catalog. So now I can always see very transparently what's happening with my data that's coming into GM, data that's going out of GM. And then, data products built on data products. If you have the original set of metadata, now you don't have to do analysis to create that next data product. You can automate the development on those things. I think there's just so many opportunities. I really think we're at a tipping point. I'm super excited to see like where we go in 2026 with like the automation and building and stuff like that. So I think it's a great space. I love this work. I love working with your team.